Okay, now so our graphic card is ready with small brackets, and now we will open our CPU. It's opened. We remove the small bracket cover, remove the hard disk, so we need to install this graphic card in this black socket. Okay, here we have as you can see now it is installed. I'll put hard disk back and we're good to close this. Now you can see the socket installed, which with the HDMI port, and we'll install the drivers and then I'll show you how it looks. Thank you.